Cloud engineer salary trends, freshers versus experienced. In the rapidly advancing domain of cloud computing, the role of a cloud engineer stands as a linchpin in modern tech operations. As businesses continue to embrace the benefits of cloud technologies, the demand for skilled professionals to design, manage, and optimize these infrastructures has soared. What does a cloud engineer do? A cloud engineer is responsible for architecting, implementing, and maintaining an organization's cloud computing infrastructure. They design the cloud environment, selecting the most suitable cloud service providers and configuring resources to meet business needs. Skills required to be a cloud engineer. To excel as a cloud engineer, you need a diverse set of technical skills and non-technical skills. Here's a list of key skills required to be successful in this role. Cloud platform proficiency. A deep understanding of one or more major cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, or others is essential. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Proficiency in IAC tools like Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, or Azure Resource Manager is crucial for automating the provisioning and management of cloud resources. Roles and responsibilities of a cloud engineer. Cloud infrastructure design. Collaborate with architects and developers to design and plan cloud infrastructure that aligns with the organization's goals. Cloud deployment. Implement cloud solutions by provisioning resources, setting up virtual machines, databases, storage, and configuring networking components. Companies that hire cloud engineers. Cloud engineers are in high demand across various industries as organizations increasingly rely on cloud computing for their IT infrastructure. Here are some notable companies that commonly hire cloud engineers. Amazon Web Services, AWS, as a leading cloud service provider. AWS often hires cloud engineers to work on their own cloud infrastructure and to support AWS customers in optimizing their cloud environments. Microsoft Azure is another major cloud platform, and the company hires cloud engineers to develop and manage Azure-based solutions. IBM Cloud provides cloud computing solutions, and they hire cloud engineers to work on their cloud platform and offer cloud consulting services. Oracle Cloud is a growing cloud provider, and they hire cloud engineers to help customers migrate to and manage their cloud services. Cloud engineer salaries for freshers and experienced professionals. The salary of a cloud engineer can vary significantly based on several factors, including location, level of experience, the specific company, and the demand for cloud skills in the job market. Here's a rough overview of the salary ranges for cloud engineers at different career stages. Freshers, entry-level cloud engineers. In the United States, entry-level cloud engineers can expect an annual salary in the range of $60,000 to $90,000 on average. Mid-level cloud engineers, 2 to 5 years of experience. In the United States, their salaries can range from $90,000 to $130,000 or more per year. Experienced cloud engineers, 5+ years of experience. In the United States, they can earn anywhere from $120,000 to $180,000 or even higher annually. Senior cloud engineers and cloud architects. In the United States, their salaries can range from $150,000 to $250,000 or more per year. Conclusion. In conclusion, the world of cloud computing offers promising career opportunities for both freshers and experienced professionals, with salaries that reflect the increasing demand for cloud expertise. As one gains experience and expertise, the earning potential expands, with mid-level and experienced cloud engineers commanding competitive salaries.